Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anisha and today this video is actually the extension video of my previous one. In the previous video, I have explained why non-ideality come in the homogeneous solution. That is, there are actually homogeneous solution. Those who are ideal, they are following the Raoult's law, but the non-ideal homogeneous solution are not following the Raoult's law. So there are two type of deviation. One is positive deviation and another is negative deviation. All this topic I have covered in my previous video, so you can check it out. Today I will explain what is the vapor liquid equilibrium diagram for this type of non-ideal solution, non-ideal homogeneous solution. So you can understand this graph from my previous video. The link of this video I will give you in the description box. Now in this case there is a positive deviation of the Raoult's law occurred. That means that the total vapor pressure will be greater than the summation of the vapor pressure of individual individual liquid. Now in this type of positive deviation case, here the temperature is fixed. For this graph the temperature is fixed, but when we are keeping the pressure is fixed, then the graph will be temperature versus composition graph. And the PA is greater than PA is less than PB. That means for this for this pure A and B, that's why as the vapor pressure of PA is less than is less than vapor pressure of PB. This means that when we will convert it to the temperature, that boiling point curve, then it will be Ta star greater than Tb star. Okay, that's why Ta star here greater than Tb star, because lower vapor pressure means we have to give more temperature to vaporize it. Okay. Now this is the boiling point curve, or you can say that this is the curve where the pressure is fixed. Okay. Now in this type of case, that is for the non-ideal solution, this curve is actually showing what will be the total pressure for the ideal solution, and these red line are the what is the total pressure for the non-ideal solution, and why non-ideality is generated you can get it from my previous video. So in case of positive deviation, there is a maximum point where the total vapor pressure is the maximum. So this maximum point will be correspond to a minimum boiling temperature. Okay, that's why this is the minimum point. Okay, and for this type of non-ideal solution, where the positive deviation occur, then this is the T star. What is the boiling temperature of A? This is the T star. And what is the boiling temperature of B? This is the Tb star. Now for this positive deviation, there is a point of this solution when A and B mix together. So there is a point where this point is actually less than T star. If this is T, then T is less than T star and Tb star. T is less than T star and T is less than Tb star for the positive deviation. So this point is actually less than individual boiling temperature of the pure component. Now what is the importance of this point? That is, in this point, what is the composition of the liquid phase? This is the liquid phase, this is the vapor phase, this is liquid vapor, this is also liquid vapor. So at this point, what is the composition at the liquid phase? This is actually equal to what is the composition in the vapor state. Okay, and this mixture at this composition, if there is a x% of x mole fraction of B is present and 1 minus x mole fraction of A is present. Okay, so this is the composition of this point. So this composition or this solution at this point, it is known as azeotropic solution. That means that azeotropic solution means that where the composition in the liquid phase is equal to the composition of the vapor phase, or in other words you can say that when you are evaporate in the azeotropic, when you are evaporating a azeotropic mixture, so in the vapor phase what composition you will get, the same composition you will get from the liquid phase also. That's why the azeotropic mixture is known as constant boiling mixture. Okay, it is actually behaving like a pure state. Okay, but this is not a pure state, this is a solution state. Okay, this is not a pure state of A or pure state of B, this is actually a solution. But there is a definite composition for this type of solution where there is positive deviation or negative deviation is taking place. In that case there is a composition, there is a invariant composition for a definite solution where you can get the vapor and liquid in the same composition. This is known as the azeotropic mixture. Okay, and what will be the case for the negative deviation, I will tell you in this video. And another thing is that for the positive deviation, you know that for positive deviation P is somewhat greater than the what is coming from the Raoult's law. Okay, that is the P star into XA. That is this is the pressure of pure A, this is the vapor pressure of pure B, and these are the multiplied by the mole fraction of that component. So this P will is actually greater than, that is there is a point where the pressure is greater than P star XA plus PV star XB. Actually the positive deviation, when positive deviation occur, when the interaction energy between AB is less than the interaction energy between A or BB, you know that I already explained this. So this means that when two components are present and when they are mixed together, the interaction energy is less than the individual interaction energy, then this type of deviation occur, and for this case you can get a minimum boiling point azeotropic mixture. The example of this type of non-ideal solution is that the ethanol water system, methanol water system, these are the example of this type of solution. Okay, ethanol plus water system, methanol plus water system, these are the example for this type of positive deviation. Now coming to the negative deviation. In case of the negative deviation, deviation is exactly opposite to the positive deviation. So if you understand what is the case of the positive deviation, you can easily understand what is the negative deviation case. So that is, for the negative deviation, the total pressure of the solution is less than what is coming from the Raoult's law, and in that case where is the for the positive deviation there is a minimum boiling point solution, but for this case there will be a maximum boiling point solution. Okay, and the azeotrope, this is also a forming a azeotrope. This point, the composition corresponding to this point is the composition for the azeotropic mixture for the negative deviation, and this is actually, in that you can understand that from this phase diagram, in at this point what is the composition of the liquid phase is equal to the what is the composition of the vapor phase. The same explanation, that is, if you are evaporate it at this composition, then you can get what is the you can get same composition in the both liquid and the vapor phase. So this is a constant boiling mixture, and which is known as the azeotropic mixture. This is not a pure state component, this is a mixture, that is constant boiling mixture, and this is known as the azeotropic mixture. And this is the case for the negative deviation, that is, for the negative deviation the total pressure is, there is a minimum of the total pressure, that means that there will be a maximum point where the total maximum point in the when the pressure is kept constant and temperature is variable. So this is the liquid state, this is the vapor state, and these states are the for the liquid and vapor phase. So that's all about the what is the VAD diagram for the non-ideal solution. Actually, I have explained all this in the previous video. I just this video I have made because of this explanation only. So this is the actually last video for the phase equilibrium series. In the next from the next video, I will start the electrochemistry series. So for today, bye bye.